Welcome back to my channel. Hope so you all will be doing it well, and we start the lecture as usual that God bless you in every aspect of life and you will always stay happy and healthy. So without wasting our time, we now start our lecture. Today we study about expository writing. First of all, we should study about definition and purpose of expository writing. Expository writing is a form of writing that aims to explain, inform, clarity, or describe a subject to the reader. Unlike persuasive writing, which seeks to convince the reader of a particular viewpoint, expository writing is focused on presenting facts, explanations, or instructions in a clear and logical manner. The primary goal is to provide information in a way that is accessible and understandable, allowing the reader to gain knowledge or insight into a specific topic. Next, we should study about what is purpose of expository writing. There are three purposes of expository writing: to explain or describe a topic, to provide information and facts, to help the reader understand the subject matter. Now we study about key characteristics of expository writing. First one is clarity and precision. Expository writing is characterized by its clear and precise language. The writer avoids ambiguity and strives to present information in a straightforward manner. Technical jargon and complex vocabulary are used only when necessary, and when they are usually explained. Logical structure. This type of writing follows a logical progression of ideas. Typically, it is organized in a way that introduces the topic, develops it with supporting details, and concludes with a summary or a final thought. Common structures include the five paragraph essay format, which include introduction, three body paragraph, and at last conclusion. Causes and effect, comparison and contrast, or problem and solution. Objective tone. Expository writing maintains an objective tone, focusing on factual information rather than personal opinions or emotions. The writers remain neutral, allowing the facts to speak for themselves and avoid biases or persuasion. Use of evidence to support the information presented. Expository writing often includes evidences such as statistics, examples, quotations from experts, or other factual data. This evidence is used to substantiate claims and add credibility to the writing. Comprehensive coverage. The writing should be thorough, covering all necessary aspects of the topic. This includes defining key terms, explaining processes, exploring causes and effects, or breaking down complex concepts into the manageable parts. Common types of expository writing. Descriptive essays are the first most common type of the expository writing. These essays describe a person, place, event, or thing in detail, providing a vivid picture for the reader. While they might include subjective descriptions, they primarily focus on delivering clear and factual information. Process essays, also known as how-to essays, these explains the steps involved in doing something. The writing is often sequential, guiding the reader through a series of steps to achieve a particular outcome. Comparison and contrast essays. These essays examine the similarity and differences between two or more subjects. The writer systematically explored these aspects, often helping the reader to understand the subjects better through comparisons. Causes and effect essays. These essays explore the reasons why something happened, causes, and the resulting outcomes affect. They are often used to explain complex situations or phenomena by breaking them down into the components parts. Definition essays. These essays aim to define a specific term or concepts. They go beyond simple dictionary definitions, exploring the term in depth and discussing its implications, connotations, and significance. Problem and solution essays. In these essays, the writer identifies a problem and then proposes one or more solutions. The focus is on explaining the problem clearly and logically, followed by a detailed discussion of potential solutions. Thank you for your precious time and stay connected for the next part. In this part, we study about definition and purpose of expository writing, key characteristics of expository writing, and then common types of the expository writing. In the next part, we study about challenges of expository writing and strategies and techniques of expository writing. So stay connected to my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.